Malapit na ang Pasko at bilihan ngayon ng Christmas decorations. Pero para sa gobyerno, ang sabi ng Korte Suprema, bawal ang excessive purchases of over 2 million pesos para i-decorate mo yung government building. At this is the case of TIESA, Tourism Infrastructure and Enterprise Zone Authority versus Commission on Audit. At ang ginawa ng TIESA nito, without going through public bidding, nag-order sila ng decorations to a certain group, and they paid 2,339,958.19 para i-decorate yung kanilang opisina doon sa Manila. At ang sabi nila dito masyado yatang excessive, no? Ang pagbili ng Christmas decorations, which you will use at the most for 1 month, and that is people's money. And even the Supreme Court said, you look at 9134, Republic Act 9134, at sinasabi dito, merong mga conditions in order to justify na pagbili mo ng or pagbili ng gobyerno ng isang bagay ay hindi na kailangan ng bidding at pwedeng direct contracting. And isa sa mga yun if the purchase is of proprietary nature, yung proprietary nature naman in its private capacity, so there is no need of bidding. Pag yung binibilan mo may-ari ng patent, yung may-ari ng trade secret or copyright na hindi mo pwedeng bilhin elsewhere, then that is another ground na wala ng bidding. But the general rule is all government entities must comply with the procurement law at idaan lahat ng purchases sa bidding. And of course, the clear lesson here is there should be no excessive buying or funding for purposes of Christmas decorations in government buildings.